How to fix app won't run unless you update Google Play Services error. Let's get started. Now, open your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of Apps. Now head towards the option of Manage Apps. Over here, you're going to find different apps. Search for the app Google Play Services, or also you can find it as Carrier Services. Open that option. Now, at the bottom, you'll see the option of Clear Data. Click on it. Click on OK. Now I can head back. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Google Play Store. After it appears, open it. Now click on Clear Data given at the bottom right corner. Click on Clear Cache. Click on OK. Likewise, click on Clear All Data. Click on OK. Now I can close this. Launch your preferred browser. Type in Google Play Services or Carrier Services and search for it. After it appears, open it. If any updates are available for it, just click on the option of update and update it to its latest version. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix app won't run unless you update Google Play Services error. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.